Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Talk. Today, we are diving deep into the Canon EOS Rebel SL1 in the Americas, also known as Canon EOS 100D, a compact DSLR that packs a punch. If you're considering this camera or just want to know more about its specs and specialties, you're in the right place. Stick around till the end because we've got some exciting features to uncover. Let's start with the design. The Canon 100D is known for its compact size and lightweight build. It's perfect for on-the-go photography without sacrificing image quality. The build quality is top-notch, with a comfortable grip for those long shooting sessions. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 100D boasts an 18-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This means you'll get sharp, detailed images, even in low light. Coupled with Canon's DIGIC 5 processor, you can expect fast performance and excellent image processing. One of the standout features is the 100D's 9-point autofocus system. It's incredibly responsive, ensuring your subjects are always in focus. It can also shoot up to 4 frames per second, perfect for capturing those fast-moving moments. Now, let's not forget about the video. The Canon 100D can record full HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second. It also has a dedicated microphone input for improved audio quality, making it a versatile choice for videographers. Moving on, the 100D features a 3-inch clear-view touchscreen LCD. This makes navigating menus and reviewing your shots a breeze. You can even use the touchscreen to set focus points while shooting. Canon has included a variety of creative filters and shooting modes to help you unleash your creativity. From portrait to landscape, there's a mode for every scenario. Plus, you can apply creative filters in real time for unique effects. Let's talk about battery life. The 100D's battery can last for an impressive number of shots on a single charge. This means more time shooting and less time worrying about recharging. So, there you have it, folks. The Canon EOS 100D. Its compact size, powerful image sensor, and versatile features make it a fantastic choice for beginners and experienced photographers. Whether you're capturing stunning photos or shooting high-quality video, this camera has you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Talk for more camera reviews, tips, and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on the Canon 100D, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!